Filmora 13 released this new feature called Voice Changer, which will make your editing easier. Whether you are tasked to edit a school project or releasing a new content, this tutorial is for you. Import your desired background video related to your text. Insert a quick text or whatever title that you like. I want this first one to sound like a field reporter under a typhoon. Don't worry about voiceovers. Filmora has a bunch of voice talents for your text-to-speech requests.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Let's use this one and generate our speech.
Typhoon strikes with unprecedented force. Communities bracing for impact and recovery efforts underway.
See, it sounded realistic. Let's try the voice changer. Just double-click on the audio and look for Voice Changer tab next to Basic.
Typhoon strikes with unprecedented force. Communities bracing for impact and recovery efforts underway. Typhoon strikes with unprecedented force. Communities bracing for impact and recovery efforts underway. Typhoon strikes with unprecedented force. Communities bracing for impact and recovery efforts underway. Typhoon strikes with unprecedented force. Communities bracing for impact and recovery efforts underway.
In just simple steps, you may now create a high-quality video for your school project or content. Let's do another one. I want this one to sound like the man is speaking from the church.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Wondershare,
creativity simplified.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Wondershare, creativity simplified. Strengthening faith in challenging times. Catholic Church calls for unity and prayer amid global uncertainty.
It already sounded cool, but I want it to sound like he's in the church or in a massive room.
Strengthening faith in challenging times. Catholic Church calls for unity and prayer amid global uncertainty. Strengthening faith in challenging times. Catholic Church calls for unity and prayer amid global uncertainty.
That was nice. Let's try this last one, which will sound like a hacker giving advice to people. Just look for any background that will suit the hacker's voice and message. Tip: don't choose a deep voice, as the hacker voice changer effect will make it inaudible, since its effect is also low pitch.
Wondershare, creativity simplified. Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
That's the one. Let's wait for a moment to generate the speech.
Cracked the code. Just a reminder that no system is totally secure. Stay vigilant.
Look for the hacker voice effect and double-click to apply.
Cracked the code. Just a reminder that no system is totally secure. Stay vigilant.
I hope you find this video helpful for your next content. Keep creating, and I'll see you next time.